Welcome to this Opus Clip tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to create 100 short videos from just one long video right here using Opus Clip. With Opus Clip, you are able to make 10 viral clips from one long video and it is 10 times faster. Opus Clip is a generative AI video tool that repurposes long talking videos into shorts in one click. So all you want to simply do is to drop a video link or you upload a file and you are able to get those free short clips right there. So right here guys, all you want to do is to simply just sign in, and once you do that, it's going to take you right onto this page. So right here guys, you can easily drop a Zoom link, a Google Drive link, a YouTube link, a Rumble link right here, and you can also choose a file right here which is up to 10 gig, minimal duration of 3 hours. So right here guys, I'm just going to go onto YouTube and I want to simply just copy a video link right here. So guys, I want to simply just copy out this link. So I'm just going to go right here and copy, then go onto Opus Clip and paste that link right here. So once I'm done with it, I'm just going to wait for this. Alright guys, as you can see, this is the video right now. The caption is English, credit usage is right here guys. So what I'm simply just going to scroll down right here. Now all you want to do is to choose a style. So I'm just going to make use of this, the preset templates one right there. I love making use of that. And once I'm done with this, you process your time frame. Right, you want to probably you want this to be from here around this. That's my processing time frame. You simply they prefer clip length. I want it to be auto. Now you can easily add keywords, which is optional right there, and once you're done, and simply tap on get clips in one click. So this is what's going to do just that for you right here. As you can see, it is fetching the video from the preferred clip length given to it, the estimated waiting time, and it is processing and analyzing. So you can safely leave this page and they will send you an email notification once this is done. So you want to simply just wait for like few minutes right there, 2 to 3 seconds, and this will be done. So guys, as you can see right here, it has been able to share this into various clips. This is clip 1, master PDF summarization with AI tools for quick research. So right here guys, I'm just going to scroll down for us to see this video. So this is it. So this is the video right now. I'm just going to play this. This is it right here. So you can easily just download this right into your device, so you can easily just edit the clip. So that is for the first clip. So if I simply just scroll down right here, this is the second clip. Revolutionized PDF summarizes with AI. You can boost your content game. Let's play this. So that is the second clip right there. So once you're done with all of this, you can easily just go on to edit and download right here. So this is how you are able to make use of the Opus Clip to create viral clips by simply just putting in one long video right there, and you are able to create 100 clips from just one video right there using Opus Clip.